race. Looks like we've got one rider going clear. And he's about to be passed. Can he do it? He's going to come to the line. And he takes it. 2 riders clear of the rest of the group. That looked like 3:54. And we're off and racing. It looks like the back of the field being held down by the HP BMW team. So they can adjust that after the course of this race. Lifetime Bikes have done it. Oh, Lifetime Bikes was up in there. Great start by Sconaguy. Dylan